Okay, so can we start something? First of all, we're starting with the first topic we did here was series and sequence. Now for series and sequence, we already know we are dealing with force here, we are dealing with arithmetic progression and geometric progression. Because there are other topics there are other subtopics under series and sequence. Because sequences could appear in any form. The only thing we did was AP and GP. I've said AP has a common difference. Let's say we have 2, and the next one is 4, the next one will be 6, 8, and you keep going by adding 2 like that. And then for GP, the next one will be let's say the first number is this 927. Here our common ratio is 2. Now there are other sequences like 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. They don't have something that is common between them. All these kind of sequences and series have their own names. So now, using a calculator to solve something like this, the first thing I need to, I'll be very happy if I have the sequence. They have given me the sequence. Now I'm asked to find, first of all, let's find the 5th step before we find like the 100th step. We have this type of calculator. The other ones, I don't know how to use them. But if you have this type, or if you have it on your phone, if you don't have it, I guess one of you should have it to send to the other person. Now, first of all, when you put your calculator, when you on your calculator, or first, let's clear our calculator, press shift, press 9, press 3, and equal to. You've cleared your calculator. You can now press your AC key. Now, the first thing we want to find is the 5th step before we find like the 100th step. Now, trying to find the 5th step in such type of sequence. In your question, they might not tell you if it's an AP or a GP. So when you look at it, you first of all check, is it an AP question or a GP question? You can easily know by just saying second term minus first term or second term divided by first term. You need to find either your common difference or your common ratio. Now, to solve this kind of sequence, press your mode on your calculator. The button close to your on button. Press mode. So after pressing your mode, you can press 3. 3 says statistics. 3 statistics. We'll just try and be brief with this calculator class so that I can take questions from you guys. So 3 is statistics. Now you see number 2 that is showing A plus B X like this. You can pick 2. That's number 2. Press 2. Have you pressed it? I guess our calculator should be showing X and Y. Yeah. So for the X part, it's also showing here 1, 2, 3. Now this one is just like a serial number. You can forget about this. Now your X is dealing with the number of terms. This one is the number of terms. And then this one is the value of the term. The value of the term. Now, if you look at your X side, the blue cursor, I don't know what to call it, it's showing here. So this is your first term in this sequence. We all agree. Our first term is what? 2. Now press 1 in that first line and press equals to. 1 should appear here. Your cursor will be showing somewhere down here. Move your cursor with this button that is used to move. You can press it to this side first and then go up. You see that it's by this. You should be at the side of 1 here. Have we done that? Yes. Now you can press the value of your first term is what? 2. Now go down back to When you press 2, press equals 2, so it should appear at this side. Now you can go back with this button under your first term. With this button, go under your first term and press your second term, which is what? So press 2 for x, press equals to, let it store there. Then go to the side of x of 2 here and put your value as 4 and press equals to. Now this is having 4 terms. I could decide to continue this stuff till I get to the 4th term. But because we have written more than one term, we've written our first term and our second term, we could decide to write our first term and our 4th term. As long as we put, let's say we are using first and 4th. If you put 1 here, put 2, this part will be your 4th term and you put 8. So it's still an arithmetic progression question. So after you have studied that 4 is appearing here, you can press your AC to clear your calculator. Now you see shift, press your shift and press number 1. Number 1 is showing start on top. Is having the start function, yeah? From what part? So when you press your number 2, you did your second term. Press 2 and store it inside this part. Yeah, our second term is 4.
I will not bow to the mountain.